What is good, people? Welcome back to another video, and today's video we're at Ben's house. Oh yes, we are kind of sorting this situation out here. If you haven't kept up with the 18T build, that engine on the axle stand is not good. So we have one right here Ben bought off our friend Nick. We're just doing kind of an update, progress sort of, because last time we was trying to start but it wouldn't start, and then we figure out why it wouldn't start. So new engine in, and then we're just going to follow the progress on. So if you haven't already, make sure you give this video a like and subscribe and show Ben some support, because he's going to need it. It's been a very stressful build, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Bless him. But yeah, let's get on with the vlog and hopefully you guys enjoy. Okay, so this is the situation. How was taking the engine out? Was it alright getting it out?
No, it was still an argument.
Is it because you did it? Was you on your own when you did it?
No, I had my brother's help.
Yeah.
He's with.
Not mechanically there.
Where is this banner?
So this is the everything is just laid out. I love how these front ends come out. Looks dead aggressive, that.
Curiouser and curiouser.
Also, if you guys haven't already, a little bit of a previous vlog promotion. Go and check out the rear Mark III parts video, because it is fantastic. In fact, there's 3. I think there's 3 in a row. Go back and watch them. They're a lot of fun.
Totally wasn't filmed 5 minutes ago.
No, it wasn't at all. This is a completely different day. So how have you been getting on, Ben? The people are going to want to know. In fact, I have quite a few comments. People asking where Ben is and that. They actually do.
I live 10 minutes
People
away.
want to see you.
It's your fault.
Why is it my fault?
I live 10 minutes away.
Right.
So it means you're not coming to see me.
You try and make me feel bad.
Yeah, you're waiting.
Okay, anyway. How have you been getting on, my friend? In your life, not car stuff. We don't want to know your personal story, but yeah.
I would like a new job.
He wants a new job.
I want a new job.
But do you want me to put that on YouTube, though?
Don't forget to stick lock washers on your exhaust, people.
Okay.
Or if you throw them on the floor, it's fine. I mean,
While we're here, I'm going to give you an update on the estate. I shouldn't really, because it's raining. Oh no, it stopped. So, on our way here, I was very excited to get back in it. And then it started driving very funny. Here it is. So, on the way here, it kind of started jerking and hesitating. Don't know whether it started misfiring. But when I go to start it in the morning, it struggles its arse off. Like, it really struggles, and that's why now I've started disconnecting the battery just so it doesn't drain, and even then it still struggles. I think maybe the distributor may have got a bit of rusty or oxidation or something like that, I don't know, but on the way here it was not driving fun, we will say. So when I get in, I'll probably plug it in, see if there's any fault codes. If there's not, don't know, I might give it away. Who wants it? Comments down below. I'm going to give the estate away.
yeah, of course you want me. Does this mean merch is coming back?
You are?
Does this mean that merch might be a thing come back?
If I give the estate away?
Yeah.
Maybe.
Like, oh, your merch!
Who wants merch? I don't know, because I don't know. I'll think about it. If you want merch, put down in the comments. We want merch.
If you do merch and you want to help out with this, that's an idea. You do merch.
Who do merch?
Who do merch? They, print it and.
Oh, if somebody wants to help me
Yeah.
build merch. Right, okay. Yeah, comments down below. I always leave my socials in the description anyway, so. Okay, so the hockey pucks, you cannot see because it's, there we go. So the hockey pucks are both in on both rear mounts.
Have you explained why we've got hockey pucks in there?
No, but you are.
Because the engine has such a big sump and sits much higher in the Mark 4. You want to bring that back end just a little bit more, just so the sump's a little bit higher away from the floor.
And because this is going to be really low,
Yeah,
mainly
low.
because of that. So yeah, the hockey pucks are in. All three mounts are in and tight. Crossmember is in and tight. And then it's just a case of bolting everything in now, really, then, isn't it?
Everything back to where it was.
Pretty much. Sound.
What time is it?
The time is 4:44.
There we go. Anyway, the selector bracket is on. Slave cylinder's on. Just here. You was routing the battery cable because we're putting in a boot, and then you're just hooking everything up to the starter. I think you were starting to put this on,
Well, I've just figured out that that won't fit on there. I think it's too small, so I'm going to change the end on that.
Or you can just drill it out a bit.
I don't think
not
we've
a
got
lot of meat left.
Yeah.
Okay.
I've got plenty of them. So that can be your choice one.
That's so that couldn't do.
And that go on
Yeah,
there.
there's not enough meat on it, is there? You can see here.
Then it's Loom. Intake. I'll stick the intake manifold on whilst I'm doing that. I'm not fussed about drive shafts right now because if you don't,
Yeah, as long as it starts, we're not bothered, are
start
we?
on that.
Yeah.
Either that, yeah. Can you stick a new terminal on that and then run the cable through the car?
If you give me the stuff I need, I will do it. Try that one. Perfect. That one goes all the way in. And then we have some... the stuff. Or unless you have just some pliers then.
I've only got those grips, they alright.
Maybe some grips. Some pliers. You not got any pliers?
I get crimped, I've got a few the other day.
While Ben's been finishing putting all the intake pipe, hoses, sorting the loom out, I've had the task of running this battery cable all the way through the car, under all the kick panels, and then under this one, up underneath the rear seat, and then into the boot, as you can see. So the terminal just comes out. Ben just needs to find a way to mount it into the boot, and then the battery is out of the way. Reason being, I'll let you say.
What, battery in the boot?
Yeah.
So yeah, it's because everything's crowded up here. What with the air,
Filter. Yeah.
The pipe work for the from the intercooler to the throttle body, and the power steering reservoir. It just gets a little bit cramped when there's a great big battery in here as well. So I thought we'd get.
What the hell was that?
What was that?
Something may have fell down. That scared the hell out of me.
Little wee.
Mate, I don't know what that was.
As long as it wasn't like the gas struck exploded. And the
I don't know.
wasn't it? Oh
No,
my god,
it's
what
worse. Pop it out of that one.
happened? It won't. It's stuck on the light.
It's there, look. It's just off here, so if we move it, it's going to shoot. For fuck's sake.
It's alright, I'm not losing sleep, it's fine. Why you always put your things back on, but I haven't got any. Wow, it twisted.
How the hell did it do that? I didn't even pull it all the way up.
Like, look, it's twisted like 180 degrees
Oh.
as well.
Oh my god. I'm going mad, I'm going mad. But the most important thing is the engine is in. We're not going to let anything like this kill our moods. The battery harness has been routed to the back. The loom is semi...
No, right. This is where I need your help, please. I need a engine loom only for an AGU. It's particular to these style coil packs and has a individual no, what do you call it? Amplifier. I've obviously bypassed and changed the plugs on the old loom, and it's not something that's easily reversible. So if anybody out there has an AGU engine loom, I just need the engine loom. I might even just need to borrow it. You can have it back once I'm done with it, as long as I can make sure that this engine runs fine.
Comments down below.
Yeah, contact me
If
please,
you have it,
through
I'll
Instagram.
put his Instagram up now. Just send him a message if anybody's got one. Let's get this car running so we can film more videos for you guys. But what was we saying then? Yeah, so the battery harness is now been routed. The gearbox is now on, the clutch flywheel's on, gear shifter is then bolted in, the slave cylinder is in, the alternator.
What wiring I've got.
Yeah, just all the loose wiring here. The alternator to starter is on. Intake pipe is on and various silicone hoses. Turbo is on. The downpipe, we need to get that put on, don't we?
Yeah,
But we don't need to worry about that. We don't need to worry about that. So pretty much it's a case now of getting the loom plugged in. Is the coil pack loom, is it a separate loom or is it into the engine loom?
I've got it over there, look, if you want to show them. But basically, they'll know what I mean. If they've got one, they know what I mean.
Oh, so it's a whole loom then. Oh, right, so that plugs straight into the ECU.
Yeah, it goes from ECU to coil pack. It's basically all the engine sensors.
Is that all the injectors as well?
Yeah, injectors, all that. But
There we go, I'll put it down so it's easier for you lot to see. There we go. So this wiring harness, if anyone's got one,
it's a small ECU plug, plugs into the other loom there, and it has all the rest of the sensors on it with coil packs. These are the plugs I've changed. And there's obviously an ignition amp like somewhere along here, which I've bypassed, which you're supposed to do when you do this style coil pack.
please guys. Anyway, let's get rid of this crap. Today's been pretty productive, hasn't it?
Yes.
We've got quite a lot done today.
Thank you very much for your help.
Engine is now sat in and is bolted in. We're leaving the drive shafts off. There's a lot of things that we don't really need to bolt up to have the engine running, just to see if the engine runs okay. We have good hope, with our fingers crossed, that it will start. I'm sure it will, because Ben bought the engine off Nick. Nick knew the car it came out of. So, and Nick's a trustworthy guy anyway. We know we can trust him, can't we? We can trust him. So we have good hopes that this will start fire up straight away. We're just a case of getting the wiring loom sourced,
Fitted, and that's it. Once I've got that all loom, connect the battery up to it, and it should start. If it doesn't start from there, I know I've got electrical issues.
I don't think we do.
Which I don't think I do, because this is a proven used loom.
Yeah.
It's my old loom.
Yeah, and you had it running in one of your previous cars.
Yes.
So yeah, that's where we're at, people.
So until I get that loom, I'm pretty much at an impasse.
Oh wait, before, sorry to cut you off. Oil catch can. They haven't seen it since.
Well, it's not going to be. It's literally just looking pretty at the minute.
Yeah.
For now, until the other end goes back in.
But that's a good place to put it, because once you see it from this angle, or if you're stood here, it's only a little bit there, but they're not going to have a battery on that side, so a lot of the stuff will look a lot cleaner. That's more function anyway, isn't it?
Yeah.
Than it is to look fancy, but that will serve its purpose. What else? What have you? I'm trying to figure out what else you've had or what you've done since. But then again, the engine's been taken out, hasn't it, since? So.
Yeah, the only thing that this engine's really got is a KO4 setup instead of a KO3.
Ah.
So it's got like the BAM turbo setup.
Nice.
Nice.
So that's where we're at.
Can we?
Are we doing anything else?
Can we do one more thing?
What?
Can we fit the neons now?
Oh, you can go away with that. Every time I come round, he asks me, "Can we fit them Leons?"
No. It's cool as fuck.
We can put it on. Go on. Hurry up.
No.
But we got to do it now.
That's it. I'm done for the day, I think. Until I can get some more that Loom and such little bits like drive shafts, exhaust, underglow.
That being said, this vlog will probably be out by the time you've sourced one. But if he hasn't sourced one, just message him anyway, and he'll tell you if he's got one or not. Hopefully he's sorted it by then, because we want to try and film as much stuff as we can with this car. But if not, shoot him a message. We will appreciate it very dearly. Are we calling it a day on that?
Yeah. I'm good and gravy. I've got a lot done.
So people, you know what to do. Like, comment and subscribe. And we'll see you next week for an upload. Peace!